First off, congratulations on coming this far. You've established a strong brand foundation through working through your brand DNA, competitor analysis, your customers, your value proposition, and your brand identity. So the next step will be to bring this to life visually. Now, visual identity goes beyond just a logo. It encompasses your colour palette, typography, imagery, and other design assets that work together to communicate the essence of your brand. Now, unless you're a brand designer yourself, the next step is to choose a designer that can capture the essence of your brand and share your brand strategy with them. Now, when you're working with designers, it's crucial to communicate your brand strategy clearly in order for them to be able to work with you to design a brand effectively. So ideally, provide them with a creative brief that summarises the 6 pillars of brand identity that you've worked through. Remember, the designer's primary goal is to create a brand that resonates with your target customer, not necessarily with you personally. I often have clients come to me for a brand design with personal preferences like using an acronym of their names or their favourite sports team's colours. Remember, it's about engaging your customer. It's crucial to let go of the notion that the logo should solely represent you and light you up when you see it. Instead, prioritise creating a logo that speaks directly to your customers' needs and desires. A brand style guide, sometimes called brand guidelines, it's essentially a rulebook for your brand identity. It outlines the use of your logo, colour palette, typography, imagery, and even sometimes your brand personality and voice. So think of it as a set of instructions for anyone that interacts with your brand to ensure that things are consistent and that you're building brand recognition. Without brand guidelines, you run the risk of things being inconsistent, different fonts, odd colours, varying brand personalities. And this really undermines the professionalism and the credibility that you want to maintain. There are several reasons why I'd always ask your designer to create brand guidelines for you. The first is consistency. It ensures that everything that you put out to the world, from your website to your social media posts, reflects a unified brand image. This consistency builds trust and recognition with your audience. The research shows that businesses that maintain clear and consistent brand experiences have a 91% increase in customer retention rates. The next one is efficiency. So brand guidelines are a really valuable resource for anyone involved in creating brand materials, from your marketing team to freelance designers. This way, everyone can easily maintain consistent branding without needing to ask for constant approval or have it checked over by the few people that understand the brand strategy. And lastly, professionalism. Having consistent branding signals that you are professional and that you have great attention to detail. This shows your brand is well managed. It helps customers understand that your service is professional and well managed, like they're in good hands. So investing in brand guidelines really is an investment in your brand's long-term success. It ensures a consistent and professional brand image that will support your business growth.